So it takes CR2032. Energizer or Duracell are the best choice. Now press this button very fully and pull on the fob. It will come out the K. Then I use a butter knife and I just rotate the fob with the back side and insert the butter knife here. So it's right at this corner. Insert it a little bit and then rotate it. Keep the fob properly and rotate the butter knife. And then this thing, it may look like this. You have a rubber piece. This one may be stuck in there. If it's stuck in there, just go with the butter knife like this on the side, very, very gently, and just without any pressure, just pop it out, but don't force. So this piece here goes with the buttons at the bottom. And then you have this other piece that you need to put it on top of it because this is how it's going to be closed. It's easier like this. Do not touch these contacts. Don't try to bend them. They break very, very easily. This is the battery. You notice how it sits. So the text writing is at the bottom, is inversed. And I like to introduce a small screwdriver right here. There's a small hole right by this corner. Just press it fully downwards and then rotate it. But go gently. You have a small plastic tab that may break if you force on it. If that happens, just get a piece of gum, stick it at the bottom, and then stick the battery on top of it. So get the new battery. Again, it comes with this side. And I like to place it here, just like that. And then press it with 2 fingers to position it properly. Press fully. Make sure it sits really, really fully. Look careful. And then grab the other part. This one goes on top of it. Make sure you match the pin into that hole. So make sure it's aligned all around. Perfectly aligned, and use it like this. Press on the bottom cover at the same time both sides with force. Press forward. Press with force. You really need to press strongly. And then insert the fob, the K. And make sure it clicks here. Just like that. And I suggest you keep it at home. When you arrive at home, this is what I do. I get a aluminum foil. It's several layers. And I put the fob inside. And this way it cuts the communication with the car and it will keep the battery longer. So the way to test this, just go by your car, just by the side of your car, and press the buttons. So put more aluminum, and at the moment when you press the button and there is it's not opening the doors or closing the doors, it's enough aluminum, so there is no more communication. You can also buy from eBay, Amazon, Faraday punch, Faraday enclosure, that would also cut, but this one doesn't cost anything. And by the way, very important, thieves can read the communication between the K and your car when you are at home. Check YouTube, I'll put a link. This thing also will protect your car from being stolen. Even if it looks ridiculously cheap, this will perhaps keep your car not being stolen. Check the link I will put.